Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Ada here, and I'm back with another video, a natural glam girl, a natural glow. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new videos and you don't miss an upload. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. Thank you so much for always checking back my videos. I really do appreciate you all. So I wouldn't be wasting time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe because I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always joining me. Let's just get straight into this video. Hey, okay. So guys, I am starting off by doing my brows. I already applied my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer on my brows because you guys know I always use that. And then I'll be cleaning up my brows with my ColourPop concealer. You already know that is what I use. So today's look, I am going to be using all Drugstore products. So to show you that you can slay your makeup using all the drugstore products. So just keep watching. For those who don't want to spend a ton of money on makeup, this video is just for you. This is just right for you. So I am using all my drugstore products, no high-end products right here. So we're about to be bougie on a budget, okay? After that, I apply all the ColourPop concealer. I apply the ColourPop concealer on my eyelid, and then I blend it in with my beauty blender. And then I am going in with this eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I'm doing like a natural glam, so I didn't want to add any, eyeshadow primer or anything because I don't want the eyeshadow to be like popping too much or anything. After that, I went in with another nude color just to apply on my lid. And then I'm going in with this L'Oreal cream liner, or the gel liner, yeah. So this is also a very affordable gel liner. Like, I love this gel liner. Since I got it, I have been using it like crazy. I love this so much. So, and it's very affordable. I got that from Amazon, so you can also check that out. You can also try it out. And by the way, I'll still be listing down every product that I use in the description box down below, so you can also check there and see all the list of all the products that I used. And then I'm applying this eyeliner. I've had this for a long while, so now I'll be highlighting my face using my ColourPop concealer, of course. And after that, you want to blend everything out using your beauty blender. This is the Real Technique beauty blender, by the way. Then after that, I used my Maybelline Stay Matte the Maybelline Fit Me foundation on my face. This is in the shade 340. And then I'm going in with this airspun setting powder. This is also another drugstore. You guys already know this is the airspun setting powder, and I'll be setting my face with that. I got that from Amazon as well, and it was very much affordable. And then after that, as I wait for the setting powder, you know, as I'm setting my face, I am just going ahead to do my lips. So all I did was to you know, line my lips and then do the natural lip stain. Yeah, this is a natural lip. I love the color of this lipstick. Like, I love the color. So that is what I will be using, because I just don't want my makeup to be too much. I just want something that it's like an everyday makeup look, you know, nude slash everyday makeup look. So after that, I'm going ahead to, you know, blend everything, and I am using my Milani. I used my Milani powder to blend out everything, all the setting powder and all. I blended everything together, and then I went ahead to use my e.l.f. contour palette to contour my nose. That is why you see me, I did not bother blending the nose yet, because I haven't contoured it. So after contouring, I still go ahead with my powder to blend in everything. And here is my e.l.f. blush palette. I also got that from Amazon. They are all both very affordable. The e.l.f. contour palette, the e.l.f. blush, and they are all affordable, you know. And then this is my Milani Fantastic bronzer. I applied that just to have a little glow. And then I apply a little bit on my nose, and then my setting spray. This is the Smashbox setting spray. As I said, I will be leaving everything in the link description box down below, so you can check them out when you're done. And here the makeup is done.
So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this look, because I just loved creating this look. I did not even bother applying anything, no lashes, because I just wanted it to be as, you know, just as subtle as it can be, as natural as it can be. You know, I just wanted something really nice and just clean, and something very natural and clean, and that was what I went for. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload whenever I post any new videos. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video. That's a thumbs up, right? Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to click the notification bell and the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. You will really love it here, because I do lots of hair and makeup tutorial. So thank you so much. You can also check my other videos out. I'll be leaving some links in the description box down below, and I'll be leaving details of everything that I used on my makeup look in the description box down below. So just do go ahead and check that out, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.